Hello everyone, Nasir here from Financial Markets Club. In this video we're going to talk about gold. It's been a good few weeks I haven't done a recap on gold. On my last video I was talking about how gold could come down to around 1770-ish, 1750. That's when gold was around here, which was around 1860-ish. We did have a couple of small attempts for gold to push it up beyond 1860s, 1865, but it didn't quite happen, and gold just came back down. It's exceeded my expectation, to be honest. I really didn't expect gold to come down to as low as 1730. I felt 1750 was probably the lowest you could go, but nonetheless we're close enough. So we've got here, but I've been struggling with gold actually throughout its descent. I mean, that descent was so slow, and then you had an acceleration, and then again for the last few days we've got a lot of sideways movement. There seems to be a lot of confusion in the market. This week might be a game changer. We've got some key data coming out this week. So we've got core CPI coming out tomorrow. The day after we've got core PPI, and on Friday we've got core retail sales and a few other things that could highly impact gold. And I wouldn't be surprised if we see gold show signs of moving upwards. I mean, I feel there's still scope for gold to fall a little bit further. It could touch as low as 1700-ish before sort of bouncing up. But if it does get to around 1700, I think that would be it. That would be the end, and then we see gold rally. If inflation with core CPI and things like that, if inflation comes in much higher than the market expectation, then that certainly should boost gold up. So yeah, I'd be comfortable sitting on the buy side on gold. Yep, there's a potential for gold to sort of push down to around 1700, so timing will be very important. But overall, we should see gold heading up. When we say heading up, where are we heading up to? I would imagine gold back up to somewhere near the 2000-ish level. On previous videos, I was expecting gold to exceed 2070 that we hit a few months ago. This hasn't happened quite yet, so this could be the big turnaround where gold just keeps heading upwards. Obviously, it's not going to just head up in a straight line. We've got some key levels for gold to contend with. So initially, I'd be looking at about 1865. Thereon I'd be looking at about 1910, thereon I'd be looking at about 1960, then 2000 and onwards. So yeah, let's take this step by step. Overall, I'm bullish on gold. This should be heading upwards. Let's aim for the 1900-ish level to begin with. Also, if I could ask you to just throw in a quick like on my video, please, and subscribe to my channel so you can get updates on my videos as they come up. Really appreciate the support, and let's try and grow this channel to help out as many people as possible.